Hello everyone, my name is Darren, and in this short video, I will show you how to design your name badge. When you first enter the name badges section within your event, go into the badge setup on the right-hand side to choose your desired badge dimensions and template. First select your badge dimension, and from the available templates below, select the one that you would like to use. The chosen badge dimensions in the badge setup will be applicable for both desktop and on-site printing. Visit our Help Center for compatible paper for desktop and on-site printing. To edit the name badge, you can select the section directly on the previewer in the center of your screen or click on the sections available on the right-hand panel. For the image sections, you can select one of the three available options: direct picture upload, a QR code, or the zkipster guest image. Use the upload image option to import an image or logo of your choice. The file limit for the file is 5 megabytes. Once you've uploaded the image, you can align it to the left, center, or right within its section. The first option for QR code is Check-in ID. The check-in ID is either the zkipster ID, which is an auto-generated ID by Zkipster, uniquely identifying your guests, or custom ID that allows you to pull your own custom code values based on guest info and defined in the dropdown. The second option for QR code is the VCard function. This serves as a digital business card optimal for networking events. Any guest details chosen will be available to anyone who scans it. Fields can be added or removed as you see fit here. The third option for QR code is the advanced option, which gives you complete flexibility to configure the QR code based on dynamic guest tags, free text, or URL. For guest image, this simply prints the guest picture that you have assigned for the guest. Please note that your device must be online to print guest pictures on site. For the text section, it is possible to add static text alongside dynamic text within the rich text editor. In the text section of the name badge, you can select what guest information to print out. The editor will default to the dynamic tags for first name, last name, and organization, but you can add or remove any tags or text within the text box as you wish. Use the Tags drop-down menu on the top of the editor to add from the guest fields available in your event. It is also possible to add static text alongside dynamic text within the rich text editor. Use the format options above for the size, font, and alignment of the text. As you are designing your name badge, use the name badge previewer at the top of your screen to view how the name badge will look using one of the guests on your list. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles on name badge printing, and thanks for watching.